Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to do an activity, okay, of the subject EPS 1. Okay, we will do a collage making. Collage making is done using papers, okay. And on which topic? Yes, the life cycle of chicken, which we have learned in our first chapter. Okay, now let's do the activity. Now in this activity you will require few things like a white sheet, A4 size white color sheet, few sketch pens, colors, sharpener, pencil, marker, scissor and Fevicol. Now what you have to do next is, as we know that in the life cycle of a chicken there are 4 stages. So here you will have to take 4 same cutouts of any shape, whichever you want. As I have taken oval shape, or you can say it's circle, like circle shape. Okay, after this you have to take some another cutout which you have to stick on this. I have made this cutouts which I have cut from a white sheet of paper. As I did not have yellow color, I have cut these pieces. See here, this is first stage egg. I have cut with white paper, then this big egg, and then I have cut it into zigzag, and one small white color sheet which we will going to show as a chicken is breaking the egg. Chick is breaking the egg. We are going to show here with this cutout, and with yellow color paper I did not had, so I have colored a white sheet and made it into yellow color, which I will be showing here a small chick, okay, which has come out of the shell. And last stage is the adult hen, for which we are going to make the legs with the sketch pen with the colors. Okay, so this is the how you have to cut the piece, or anything different idea you can use. I need this collage in which you have to show a life cycle of chicken with the help of various paper. You have to do this activity at home. Okay, good. Now see, first step we have to stick this circle shape here in this white sheet, on this white sheet. Okay, so here I have stick this circles. Okay, like this we want. First we have to stick this. Okay, I have finished sticking this others. Now we will take one by one the shapes and let's stick it. Now see how to stick the first stage, the egg. Now here I have stick the waste of a pencil. I have sharpened a pencil and I have taken the waste which I am using to show the nest. Okay, the dry leaf and twigs. Okay, so here I will stick the first stage, that a hen lays a egg. So here is the egg. Okay, now next stage we have to show a chick is coming out from the egg. So for that you have to take this shape of a yellow color sheet, or you can take white sheet also and you can color it. Then you have to take a egg shape like this and you have to stick it here, as if the shell has broken into 2 parts. You have to show it here like this. You have to stick it. Okay, then a chicken is, first you have to take the upper part of the chick. Two circle shape you have to cut, small and big, and then you have to stick it like this. Okay, then the wings. See, the wings looks like this. Okay, see, like this you have to stick, or you can search in Google any another shape of chick if you like. You can draw like that also, you can cut it out like that and you can stick here, and you have to show a chick. Okay, and then last stage is the hen. The chick grows into a hen and see. Okay, like this you have to stick, and finishing part I will show you now. See, like this you have to make the face and the legs of the hen, chick, and the chick which is coming out from the shell. Okay, this is the last step you have to do is you have to draw the arrows. Okay, each after every next stage. Okay, to show the process, the life cycle of the chicken. Okay, you have to label it also. See, like this you have to label it also. Okay, neatly with good handwriting. So here is the activity you have to do. Okay, and keep it. I will check it. Okay, good.